Last night, I did not want to go to bed. So I asked my dad the biggest question I have. Why do we have to sleep? I was hoping he would say, we don't. He didn't say that. He put down his coffee, the big mug, the one Mom says is actually a soup bowl. And he said there are 5 reasons we have to sleep. 5! And the 5th one made him whisper. Dads only whisper when it's a secret. So stay with me, because I'm telling you all 5. And at the end, you get to decide if my dad was right. Reason number 1. My dad says when you sleep, your brain takes out the trash. Real trash. Okay, not banana peels. Tiny brain trash. All day long, your brain is thinking and playing and learning, and all that thinking makes little bits of garbage inside your head. Then, at night, your brain turns on tiny rivers, actual cleaning rivers, and it washes all the garbage away. Dad says it's like a trash truck that only comes at night. That is what happens to your brain when you sleep. It gets a bath. And if you don't sleep, the trash piles up, and that's why you feel yucky and cranky. I get cranky. Mom says very cranky. Reason number 2, while you're asleep, your body opens a repair shop. Dad says your body sends out tiny fix-it workers. They fix your muscles from all the running. They fix your scraped knee. And here's the part I couldn't believe. That's when you grow. Growing mostly happens while you sleep. Your body makes a special growing juice. Dad called it a hormone, which sounds like a tiny horn, and it comes out the most at night. So when grown-ups say sleep helps you grow big and strong, they are not making it up. I checked. Dad showed me the marks on the door. I grew in my sleep. I wasn't even trying. Okay, reason 3 is about a librarian. A librarian who lives inside your head. Reason number 3. Your brain has a librarian. All day, everything you learn gets dumped in one big messy pile. The new word you heard, where you left your dinosaur, how to zip your jacket. A big, messy pile. Then you fall asleep, and the librarian gets to work. She sorts every single memory and puts the important ones on the forever shelf. Dad says this is how your brain saves your memories. Scientists call it memory consolidation. I call it the night librarian. That's why if you learn something new and then sleep, you remember it better in the morning. And that's why when you don't sleep, you forget where your shoes are. Dad forgets where his shoes are a lot. I'm starting to wonder about Dad's sleep. Now, reason 4 is about dreams. And this answer made Mom stop washing the dishes just to listen. Reason number 4. Why do we dream? Dad says dreams might be practice. At night, your brain plays little pretend movies. Happy ones, silly ones, sometimes scary ones. So your feelings get to practice in a safe place where nothing is real. It's like a playground for your feelings. You can practice being brave at the dream playground, and nothing can actually get you because it's all pretend. Dad says that's why after a good sleep, big feelings feel smaller. The mad ones, the scared ones, they got their wiggles out at night. Mom said, that's actually lovely. Dad did a little bow. He almost knocked over the soup bowl mug. Okay, deep breath. Reason 5. The weird one. Reason number 5. Dad leaned in close, and he whispered, "Nobody knows." What? He said scientists, real scientists, with the white coats and everything, still don't completely know why we have to sleep. It is one of the biggest mysteries in all of science. And here's the weirdest part. Every single animal sleeps. Giraffes sleep. Whales sleep with half their brain at a time. Half! Even jellyfish sleep, and jellyfish don't even have a brain. What is the jellyfish even resting? Dad says sleep must be so important that nature gives it to every single creature, even the ones that can't explain it, even the ones that don't want to go to bed. He looked right at me when he said that part. So that's why we have to sleep.
Your brain takes out the trash. Your body fixes you and grows you. The librarian saves your memories. Your feelings go to the dream playground. And reason 5 is still a mystery. Even for the scientists. Even for my dad. He says the mystery is the best part. Because it means somebody watching this might grow up and solve it. Maybe even somebody who didn't want to go to bed tonight. Anyway, I'm sleepy now. The trash truck is coming. Was my dad right? Subscribe and tell me in the comments. Those are the rules.